From this to this. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and now we're going to unbox from a Sim Magic. Wow, the packaging looks premium. By the way guys, this is not sponsored by Sim Magic. I use my own money to buy this. So now we're going to unbox first the P1000 pedals from Sim Magic. So the P1000 pedals is a mid-range pedals. It comes with a load cell pedals. Comes with different configuration, which is at first glance looks pretty confusing. We got the P1000 and there's a P1000i, P1000RS, and so many more. So upon opening the box, you will see stickers. It's pretty nice. So on this box, you will see the cables, additional spring, and tools. And we're going to unbox it later on. So this one is a manual. It really looks premium. It's a black manual thing. It's look pretty nice. And this one is a heel rest included on the box, and it really looks metal or aluminum. And this one is additional dampers for the brakes. And this one is a mountain adapter included, which is pretty essential. And finally, the pedals itself. I really like the pedals. It's look premium. And I think this one is aluminum and metal as well. And it's great. It's pretty heavy then. It's worth the price. I can say on physical, I can definitely recommend this. It's look amazing. Also opted to haptic motors, and it comes with individually packaged. Upon opening, you will see the tools and manual as well, and the haptic motors. And I think this one is metal, and it's really heavy. And it comes with two adapter, metal adapter for this one. So now I'm going to fast forward, so it's not gonna take forever. So now we're going to unbox the SimMagic Alpha Evo Standard with 12 Newton meter. Upon opening, you will see a bunch of stickers, a black manual, and always looks premium. And it comes with cables, another cable, a charger cable, and this power supply, and some tools. Whew, this one has a bag, and this one is really heavy. I think this one is aluminum, alloy shell, and there's a lot of USB slot, Type C. It's pretty solid and heavy as well. And now we're going to unbox the Neo X Type R. I can say on the packaging. It's very secure. Oh, this one is really big. Just so you know, guys, I was using Logitech G923 for 3 years, and I can definitely say the Logitech is it's a good toy. But I just want to upgrade. So on the box, there's a cable, Type C cable, a black manual as always, and a sticker. Oh, it's really hard. Yeah, yeah, sticker. I'm just going to put it back. So back to what I'm saying. So back to what I'm saying earlier. I was using the Logitech G923 for 3 years and decided to upgrade. And at first, I was looking on the internet and watch a lot of different video, different brand, looking at Google. So I supposed to get the Moza brand, but I ended up getting the Sim Magic setup. And what I can say right now, based on the physical, I'm really amazed. I'm really overwhelmed. It's really big difference between the Logitech. One looks high quality and really big as well. Sim Magic reach more than my expectation. Oh, by the way, guys, this is not a sponsor. Once again, so I only have a stand, a metal stand from Benvor. I guess that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.